Hi guys. So this is like my first YouTube video ever, and this my name is Luke. I'm Luke. So today I'm going to do unboxing video. Okay, so I'm going to unboxing Loona and albums. So we have like A, B, C, and D version. So for today videos, we're going to unboxing all of them. So uh, like I mentioned just now, we're going to unboxing A, B, C, and D. So this is A and B, and this is C and D. Why two parcels? This is because at that time I want to buy from the same person. It's just that I don't have enough money to buy all four of them. I'm just wait a, wait a little bit more time because my money gonna come in. So I buy these two from the dealer because at that time the dealer said for CND they like no they have no more pre-order, so kind of sad, but never mind. I bought from this dealer because I trust her. So this is A and B version, and then I bought the other two versions more from the other dealer. Never mind that. So let's do this. So A and B version, Loona and album. My first. Okay, so cool. Oh, shit. This is so nice. No, this is version A. So cool. So I asked for Jinso photo card. I don't know why. It's so pretty, you know. She's so pretty. She's so gorgeous. Like out of this world. Yeah. Oh, don't know. So this is A version. You can see this. Yeah. So this is Jinso, and then this is Loona photo card. Yeah. So shaking right now. Shaking hard so much. Okay, so I'm just gonna put around me. Yeah. Okay. I'm not gonna open this first. I'm just gonna open this first. And of course, I also bought the posters. Okay, so I'm gonna check this one. I think this one. This one is. This is A version, guys. They're so pretty in these clothes, you know. This outfit is so. Oh man, I'm just gonna show you briefly, okay? Because like we have more to go with this only the A version. We have like B, C, and D. Okay, so I'm just gonna make it faster. Carefully, okay? So this is like I'm adding to my collections for Loona. I already have like how much? 11, I think. 11. 4. Oh no, 7. Including this 4, it's 11. So yeah. So shaky. Alright. So as you know, yeah, guys, A version. So I'm just gonna show you briefly, like, okay, first we must put out all of these like stickers that they give, like, what is this? Is this stickers? Yeah, stickers, Loona stickers and album. Okay, so and then of course we're gonna get calendar from them. Okay, so this is what July, August, September, October, November, and December. Why only this? Where's more? Okay, 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 okay. And then we have what? Another 6 more. January to June. Okay. And of course, yeah. Ta-da! Okay, this is Hustle photo card. This is like first time I because this is like first comeback and I got Hustle, so it's kind of lucky to me. Yeah, for the first time ever, and for the first comeback, I got Hustle, and then we got Jinso. This is like my ultimate bias. She's like my ultimate bias. And then I got Vivi. She's so cute. So much cute. So from this that we got calendar, and then photo cards, and then stickers. So also this one. Okay, so I'm just gonna open this. Okay, guys, thank you so much. So I really should appreciate the dealer. This is like my music taste, photo card. So this one is Jinsol, and then I got Chu, the darkest ever, the girl with most positivity. Is it that the correct word? I don't know, but she's so dark. So dark. Okay, she's so darky. And then Jinsol. This is like, I don't know. I like both of them, but personally, for like ultimate, my bias is Jinso. Okay, the others, it's not. I don't like that. I love all of them, but I love Jinso personality more. I don't like personality, and then her taste of music is kind of similar to me. Okay, so yeah, that's why I like her. Okay, and then we got Loona photo card, and then all of them are here. Okay, wait, okay, I can't focus. Oh, never mind. Okay, then okay, I'm gonna show you this. This is the dealers. The dealer. Can it focus? I don't know. But shout out to around you. Okay, so this is like version A. So I'm just gonna through all of this like briefly. Okay, so this is like my an album version A. Okay, so yeah, and then these girls are so pretty, you know, so gorgeous. The visuals are so look at that. This is Hyunjin. Okay, so pretty. And then Hyunjin, I'm just gonna go briefly. Okay, Hustle, Yojin, uh, Vivi, Kimlet. Oh man, so gorgeous. Jinso, wow. I love her like dark blue hair. Yeah, it's kind of black and blue, blue black, I think. And blue is like my favorite color, so I'm just love it. Okay, so this is Cherry, Eve. Also, this is my like second bias. She's my bias striker. She's so beautiful, and her face like an actress you will know. Chu, so dorky, cute. Here. And then we got Go On, the godmother. She rap with Nicki Minaj, you know. Then we have Baby Wolf here, Olivia Hay. I'm just gonna do, yeah, I'm gonna do briefly in this. I hope I have like 2 cameras so I can like just push all of them faster, right? So this is like the, what is duet photo shoot? Duet? Yeah, I call it duet. So yeah, and then we have Vivi and Kimlet, Eve and Cherry. Okay, Go On and Hyunjin. And then Jinsol and Olivia Hay. And then that's it. Okay, this is the first A version. Okay, A version. I love it. The concept here. And this is like first black Loona album ever. Okay, all of the albums are in white, but this comeback for an album they bring 2 colors, black and white. So A version, this is black. Okay, okay, I already done A version. Okay, I'm just gonna put it aside. So let's go with B version. Okay, this is B version. Okay, I'm just gonna show you the poster because I love the poster so much. I wish I could like put it on. Look how they standing in their like order, debut order. Okay, so start with Hyejin here, Hyunjin, Hustle, Eugene, Vivi, Kimli, Minso, Cherry, Eve, Chu, Go On, and Olivia Hay. So yeah, really appreciate them. Okay. Yeah. So I'm sorry. Okay. So I'm sorry. My mom just came right now. So and it's kind of like noisy a little bit. I'm sorry for that because my younger sister is doing the house chores here. So let's go with the key question. Okay, guys. Oh my God. What's look? Okay, like the poster and the same. The poster is the same with like there's so much here, so much to go, so much to like see. So I'm just gonna open and find all the photo cards and the albums and the okay, all in one. All right. So this is the stickers. Of course, it's like the same one, and then the calendar here, and then there's one more. This one also the calendars here. You can see that. The photo card here. Okay, this one. Alright. I got the same Hasu. And then Chu. another two. Okay, this is like for photo card. In B version, I got two. That one I got from my music taste. This one is like from the photo card from the album. So I got two. And the last one, my bias record. Okay, this is Eve. She's so gorgeous. I'm not saying, but she's so gorgeous, aesthetically gorgeous there. Okay, so I'm just gonna like do a preview here for those like the ones on the album for B version. Okay, I hope you can hear me because it's so noisy out of my room. So yeah, I'm just gonna click there. Okay, so this one, Hijin, this one. She's so pretty. Hyunjin. Oh, Asu. Eugene here. Vivi. I love Vivi black hair. Before this, she tried like so many colors with her hair. But with her black hair, this is like new, ah, new type. And Kim Lip, Kim Lip, Kim Lip what? Kim Lip debuts hair colors. I don't know, like blonde. She's blonde. From the first MV till now, she doesn't change her hair color once. I think it's like brown. Brown. Is it brown? Yeah, kind of brown. And it's Jinso, blue hair. Blue, black hair. She's so pretty. And then Cherry, yeah. Eve, oh. She's I think like this photo shoot is like Greek mythology, the goddess Chu. Go on, the princess. She's like savage princess, And then Olivia Hay. Okay. The duet, the two Jin, Hasu and Vivi, Kim Lip and Jinso here, Eugene and Cherry, and then Eve and Chu, Olivia and Go. So that's for the version. For C, is it this one? Yeah, this one is C version. Okay guys, so this is C version. The posters here, the poster here, you can see it. Alright, so minimally aesthetic. Okay, so yeah, I kind of like this one because they're so pretty. For D version, okay. Wow. So they look so innocent in here with those flowers. Okay, you can see like Hijin put some flowers on her hair, and then Hyunjin holding the flowers, and then yeah, all of them so beautiful. Well, they wear this on when they sing Dance on My Own. You can check them on the YouTube. I will put the link down below there. You can check them. Okay, so this is C version. just gonna open it. Just gonna open it. It's fine. I found the photo card here. So, ching, ching, ching. I got dang, Olivia Hay. I think I got most of the photo cards from before. I got Olivia Hay the most, I think. And this one also I got Olivia Hay. And then I got Kim Lip. I got Kim Lip. And then another Eve. Yeah. So pretty. Okay. So I'm just gonna like go through at all of them first. Of course, we have like calendar for them. I'm just gonna show you like briefly. I don't want I don't want this video like feel so long, so I'm just gonna make it fast if I can. Okay, Hyejin, Vivi there. Okay, Yeojin's there. So this is C version. Okay, guys. So I'm just gonna open it faster. Then we have this, all of them here. Okay, all of them here. Okay. What? Is it the same? Yeah, kind of. 2 times. Different pose. Okay, different pose. Hyejin's here. And then I'm just gonna show you Hyejin there. Oh, found a sticker. Okay, the sticker, I forgot it. Hyejin. I like to show all of them like super fast. Okay. And then Hustle. Yeah, this one. Oh, so much visual in this group. Okay, so much visual. So this is Yeojin here. And then we got, I look like they make it like circle here. And then we got Vivi. Okay, Vivi. The pictures in the circle is so, I don't know, it's so stylish. And it's kind of new. Okay, it's kind of new. So Vivi, okay. Look how they make it, the pictures in the circle, right? So it's kind of new to me. And then we got Kim Lip here. Kim Lip. And then yeah, I'm just gonna show you the how like the circle, the picture in the circle, they look static. They look like gorgeous, static. I don't know so much to say, but yeah, they are beautiful. Look here, Jinso. And then we got Cherry, Choi Yerim. Here. Okay, and then we got Eve. Okay, this one I use it for my lock screen, you know. I love the C version. Yeah, I kind of love it so much. So I put Eve as my lock screen, and then Jinsol for my home screen. This is Chu. Okay, Chu can do it. Of course, Chu can do it. Here. And then go on. Just go on here. Okay. So go on. Ta-da. And then finally, our baby wolf. Olivia Hay. She's so beautiful. Look here. And then we have duet photo shoot. So Heejin with Olivia Hay, like that, and then Kimlik with Yeojin here, and then we have Eve and Vivi, and then we have Jinsol and Cherry, Chu and Hustle, Gowon and Hyunjin, and that's it. Okay, so yeah, I kind of like this version more, I think. Yeah, I don't know, C version is like so beautiful. Okay, D version here. So we already have D version here. Look how innocent their face are. Oh man. I love how the makeup is not too much. They use like minimal makeup here. So yeah, I kind of like that. So I'm just gonna show you. The calendar for this. Okay. And this too. Okay, you can see just now the C version have black cover, right? And this one is white cover. So A and C are in black and B and D are in white. Yeah, this is like the first time ever BBC had done this. Then where's the photo card? With that, okay, I'm I didn't I don't see it yet. Okay, guys. So finally, we got Heijin. Finally, show here, Heijin. Oh, I wish I got Go On too, but never mind. And then I got Cherry, Cherry here, and then ta-da! Cutie Yojin here. Okay, but I'm just gonna show you all of it. Okay, all of it. Wow. So this is like the first page of this album. Next, yeah, the N is in floral. If you notice that N for all of the mini albums are different. So yeah, this one in a flower mode. Flowers. It is like designed with flowers here. Others are like moons there, and more of them there. I'm just gonna show you all of them here. Okay, so here they look so innocent. Okay, Hijin, Hijin, and then all of this. Wow. Oh, finally, look, that's the photos in the circle. So it's look so pretty here. And then Hyunjin with so minimal makeup. No, I'm just gonna shut up because I'm just gonna like focus of their beauty. Okay, Hustle. Yojin here. And then Vivi. how pretty she is. Kimberly. This is like my first time watching Kimberly, like innocent face, but still sexy. You know, this Jinso looks so innocent. I'm sorry. Yeah, the long neck, it is shown. Okay, so I'm just cherry. I wish I like could put the camera down, but yeah, kind of messed up down here. So I'm just show you like this. What? Okay, I forgot it. Yeah, this one. Love the photos in the circle here. Okay, so just gonna slide it. Okay. Eve. Oh, she's so gorgeous. Two, with her innocent face and dorky cute, you know, smiling here. I'm so smiling here. Wow, she makes me she makes my day. Two, and then we got Gongjunim. Go on. Go on is here. She's so cute. Yeah. And then Olivia Hay. I don't know how she can pull this off because you know she's always seems fierce, but this so innocent face. And then their duet shot. Heijin and Hyunjin, Phoebe and Hustle. And then we got Cherry and Yeojin, Kim Lip and Jin Sol, Chu and Eve, Olivia and Go On. Yeah, that's all of it. The last picture, we have checked all of it. Okay, D version, C version, and then B and A version. Okay, so which is the best? If you ask me which is the best albums here from A to D version, for me it's still C version. I love the most. Okay, C version I love the most. I don't know, the photos kind of amazing, you know. That's why I make them as my wallpaper for home screen and the lock screen, because on my phone. So because I don't know, it feels I, I don't know how to describe it, but yeah, they are so beautiful in the C version. On my second one, I love the most is D version. Of course, I love A and B too. D version, no. I think it's B version. I love the second one, because B version, they look like mythical Greek goddess there. D version they look so innocent, but B version they show how like goddess. Loona is so talented, you know. This is why I love Loona the most, because they are so talented. Okay, they are so talented girls, and most of the girls group that I have ever seen, this one is so unique. Yes, they are so unique on their own. So thank you guys for watching this video. Okay, so for today we have just answered all the Loona N albums, and of course I will put the links down below if you want to watch or you want to deal with the dealer. So I'm just gonna put the downs there because the albums come in perfect. Okay, there's no crook overall, so I'm feeling I don't know. I'm just gonna thank you so much for the dealers. So thank you around you, and then thank you to Fateh K Shop. Uh, and then yeah, if you like it, just press the like button down there, and if you don't like it, yeah, just press it. And I don't mind. I just need I need, because this is like my first time doing YouTube videos, so I'm appreciate if you can comment down there what should I improve, and then what should I do next, because I don't know, this is like my first video ever, so I'm just gonna put more Loona content. If you want more Loona contents like this, or maybe a reaction to their videos, just press the bell buttons down there, and then yeah,